Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me on this sunny September day. It is time to flip another page and embrace one of the prettiest and coziest of all 4 seasons, which I personally am a keen admirer of. Autumn is breathtakingly beautiful and mysteriously enchanting. It brings along colors, so many of them, from a sun-kissed yellow to cinnamon brown and rowan red. You can feel autumn in the brisk smells of the newly reaped grains, in the sound of the crunching leaves under your feet, and in the gentle touch of the cool morning air on your skin. Here in the Netherlands, the first signs of autumn start showing up as early as mid-August. This year was different though. The heat wave made it difficult to embrace the autumn vibes in the first September weeks. But even with the weather creating obstacles, nothing can stop the urge to make the house ready for the new season, so that when autumn is finally standing on the doorstep, we will be ready to welcome it into a friendly embrace. Decorating a house for a new season is like making a puzzle. When every little detail finds its perfect place, lush pumpkins are sitting on the windowsills and beeswax candles are casting warm light on the bookshelves, the living space magically transforms. It feels whole and welcoming, and the atmosphere of coziness envelopes the soul like a warm blanket. And now it is time to fill the air with the sweet scents of autumn flowers and spicy coffee aroma, and dedicate some time to painting. Thank you for spending this time with me. I'm wishing you a lovely day and hope to see you soon again. Goodbye.